How to change Twitter display name and @handle. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change your Twitter display name and @handle. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Twitter app is up to date. To do that, make sure to open your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Twitter, and then make sure to click on the update button if it is available. Once you have done updating your Twitter app, then now you may open it. So let's proceed first with the changing or editing of your display name. So to do that, simply go to your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen, click on your profile right here or right here, and then click on Edit Profile, and now you may type in the name that you want. So you may click on Save found on the upper right corner once you have done editing your name. And then now let's proceed with the changing of your @handle. So you may press back right here, go back to your profile once again, scroll down a little bit, and go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're right here, click on your account, and then click on Account Information. Once you're in account information, click on username and then type in your new username right here. So click on continue if you really want to change your username. So you may type in anything that you want and then make sure to have this check button right here and click on done once you are done. So that's it. That's how you can change Twitter display name and @handle.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.